Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be unboxing a DJI Mavic Air drone. So here's this box. It's from B&H. It was a good price. We had 3 different color choices, and I mean they all operate the same. So I went with the most economical one, which was the white one, as we will see in a little. All right, so here we go. So we got this packaging, the Mavic Air itself, some good packaging. Alright, let's get this out of the way. So we got the DJI Mavic Air. Has some info on it, the contents. Made for iPhone, but it works with others, with other phones as well. It is pretty cool. Alright, so let's get to opening it. It's gonna be a little tough. Go. We got an opening right here. Wow, very nice quality, very nice box. And as you can see here, it's the Arctic White. Let me get something out of the box. They also gave me this free what is it, battery to power bank adapter. It was like a $25 plus. So let's open up the big guy. Arctic White. Please review the quick start guide. That's what it says right there. We have this case. And here we will have your standard drone. Very nice, very compact. I really like the case. And then within the box, we have some more contents. And here we have the Mavic Air instructions, some additional barriers for the wings and all that good stuff. Propellers. And here we have more accessories. As you can see, it's going to be chargers and stuff, charging brick, charger. And last but definitely not least, the controller itself. Mavic Air, connectors, and a little tripod. But let's go ahead and see this drone a little bit more up close. Check them out, guys. Very nice. Got the gimbal on the camera. And then the bottom, some more instructions. So very nice. Hopefully we'll be making some videos soon to see how this bad boy functions. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see y'all later.